Okay, we've added our customer, added a vehicle, inventory tab's done, dashboard. We're on the deals tab. Now, this is where your rubber meets the road, right? This is what you're here for. You're in business to sell cars. So we've added our customer. They're in there. Again, if they're not in there, so you click new deal, deals tab, new deal, grab a vehicle. Now, when you click this, you'll type in the first name, and you'll see that they're already in the system, in the DMS system. Now, say you got some multiple gyms. The customer that's in the system already will be here. If they're not in the DMS system, again, you'll click this, and that will import them in. And then you'll have to go punch in the driver's license and all that good stuff. But for this example, we've already added the customer, so the customer's in there. They're buying this car. We're going to say they're buying it for it's a lot of money. Down payment $1,500. They're going to be on a bi-weekly. They're going to pay, I don't know, $300 bi-weekly. First payment date, we'll just 7, put it out there, and the term, I don't know, 250 weeks, whatever. And then any notes you want to add in there as well. So we're going to create the deal. All right, deal is done. Once your deal is created, what it will do is pull this car out of the inventory. It will remove it from the feed the next time the feed updates, which they update 3 times a day. On your website or wherever you have the feed embedded, that vehicle will be removed. And then you can always come back in here and view their payments. And this will also be in the reports tab. We'll show you everybody, so you don't have to go into each individual one. Your buyer's agreement will be in here, buyer's order, PDF that you can print out, and then we'll be adding all the other forms as well. And if you have custom forms you want in there for you, based on whatever your state. These are just generic forms right now, but if you have a packet that you want us to put in there just for you, just email it to us and we'll get it input in here, and then this will be exactly what you want. All right, so the deal's been made. Also remember, after a deal, to get that information properly in the form, don't forget to come in here and do all this. Now, what else does this do? The driver's license is now there. So if you see missing information, it's because it's on the customer tab. So what else does this do? So what else this does, when you mark this as a deal, it goes into the CRM and then tags them as a customer, not a lead. And this will help us understand your closing ratio through all the numbers. So all the website forms, chat widget conversations, voice AI agent any way that we're getting clients, whether it's an ad, walk-in, whatever, we'll see that this person is now marked, this deal is now marked in the system as a customer. And over time, what we will learn is that how many leads you need to sell a car. And this AI is integrated into the system, which will be able to run reports and give you all the data points that you need. So your closing ratio is really, really big, and small businesses think they know, but unless you know, you don't know. It's just one of those numbers. And sometimes people avoid it because the closing ratio is not good. But that allows you to make an improvement, whether it be staff or your messaging or something that you're doing with your offer that is making your conversion small. And if it's great, tell everybody, tell your sales staff how great they are. And then within the CRM, you'll be able to tag them to whichever salesperson had them and all that good stuff. So you'll know about individuals there as well. But that's how you create a deal. Let's get back and I'll show you the import tab next.